in the end, it's going to create jobs, a lot of jobs in my mind.
We have a unique opportunity as it exists right now to build on our strengths and make those strengths known both domestically and internationally.
So I believe that the technology that we're working on right now is going to explode through the next 5 to 10 years, and we'll be at the forefront of that.
This is the time. This is when Dayton has to embrace this opportunity and move forward.
In September of 2008, a delegation of business, community, military, and government leaders from the Dayton region embarked on a truly remarkable mission, a mission that would take them to a country known for its innovation and ingenuity, a mission to bring jobs and investments to the Dayton region, a mission to build real relationships with real results, a mission to Israel. The Israel trade mission included scientists from Wright-Patterson Air Force Base and other leaders in communications, engineering, government, information technology, and aerospace technology. Some had reservations about this trade mission to Israel.
I was apprehensive.
Trade missions tend to be somewhat of a happy thing.
I was skeptical.
You go over there, you shake a lot of hands, and nothing really happens.
I didn't see how it tied into my business or how it could actually help me flourish here in Dayton.
But this one turned out to be a lot different.
Different because the Dayton region and Israel share an incredibly strong connection, a connection to aerospace technology.
We actually share common ground with Israel. Israel has traditionally fought for their existence. And they've done this through innovation. They've done this by embracing technical advances that allow them to be superior.
Israel is already a global leader in aerospace, defense, and security technologies. It has 3,500 high-tech companies and the highest number of scientists and engineers per capita in the world. Its defense industry demands solutions and drafts the best minds.
It's very vibrant. It's clearly world-class and offers a lot of opportunity for the region in the context that one of our key elements of the Dayton Development Coalition is economic growth in the aerospace research and development market. We also have 3 other areas where we're interested in: materials and manufacturing, information technology, and healthcare and human sciences. Each one of those, in the broader definitions of the aerospace industry, make Israel a prime economic target for a partnership within the region.
The Dayton region is a global leader in aerospace research and technology. The United States Air Force Research Laboratory, headquartered at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, has some of the top cutting-edge scientists in the world.
Dayton has a unique market. We have a brain trust of people here that have the abilities and the qualifications to provide us the leap-ahead knowledge that we would need to keep up with some of the other countries that are actually building some of these systems.
The Dayton region is also home to the National Composite Center and IDCast, the Institute for the Development and Commercialization of Advanced Sensor Technology.
Sensors are an everyday part of our life. You know, even the remote control for your TV is a sensor. It's an infrared sensor that works there. Remote sensing is when I can tell something about my environment and say what's going on, give me more awareness of what's going on without having to touch it.
IDCast and Wolpert Incorporated met with 15 Israeli companies during the trade mission.
And from those 15 visits, we found 2 technologies that we're bringing back here, starting companies, creating jobs, and creating tremendous economic value for Dayton and its region.
Within 6 months, IDCast and Wolpert Incorporated signed a joint venture agreement with Tel Aviv-based TDEX Systems Limited to form a new company in the Dayton region, i2-3D. Using the TDEX technology of converting 2-dimensional video into 3-dimensional models, Dayton-based i2-3D can market to a variety of countries in the United States, including military, law enforcement, even Hollywood. Oftentimes, that video is recorded by unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, that are developed and produced in Israel.
This is an actual unmanned air vehicle flying around and going to be taking flies around these buildings in a circle, and then from that video we can create an accurate 3D model of those buildings.
Unmanned aeronautical vehicles, sensors, those type of technologies are competed over across the country and internationally. We have a unique opportunity as it exists right now to build on our strength and make those strengths known both domestically and internationally. And that's clearly what the trip was intended to do, is to make that known internationally so they will come and invest in the region and build and join in our economic growth.
We need to reinvent ourselves, and if you look down the road 5, 10 years from now, we'd be building UAVs here. We should be taking some of the plants that we have, reappropriating them into that manufacturing sector, using the advanced materials, using the sensor technologies that we have to manufacture UAVs.
Dayton-based Stand Solutions provides a host of engineering support services for the United States military's tactical network in Iraq. The company has the ultimate responsibility of keeping military communications up and running 24/7.
Now when the soldiers dismount, they're able to keep up and know exactly where they're at, so the incidents of fratricide and friendly fire don't exist.
Stand Solutions found several technologies in Israel that no one else has. A panoramic camera that can be fitted with sensors here and used for security or military purposes. Stand Solutions is also exploring Israeli products that can also be used domestically. A solar technology, low-voltage ceramic heating system, and a solar plumbing system.
I started to see the same type of spirit and the same type of ingenuity that we have here in the Dayton region that also is prevalent there in Israel. What I saw entrepreneurs that had innovations that were far-reaching and actually ahead of where we are right now.
By creating prosperous partnerships with Israel, the Dayton region is on its way to becoming the national center for aeronautics and aerospace systems.
Tell the world this should be the place you come to get that kind of work done. Now, in the end, it's going to create jobs, a lot of jobs in my mind.
We have exodus of jobs and the economy has turned. We're looking at how do we survive and how are we able to capture this moment. This is the particular moment that I feel that Dayton has in order to capture the innovation and the innovative spirit to bring those jobs back, to bring the economy back.
We're laying our careers and our company's money is on the line. We'd like other people to follow because it's going to be something that brings jobs and money into the area because of its uniqueness.
The mission is not over. The city of Dayton, Montgomery County, and their partners are striving to achieve an additional goal, to establish an economic development office in Haifa, Israel. It is a goal that requires funding from private sources, investments that could transform the future of the Dayton region.
The other side of this is if we don't do it, somebody else will. These technologies, if we hadn't have gone and found these and tied these technologies up to where we had the North America rights, some other company in North America would have those rights and those jobs would be created in a different city right now.
This is the time. This is when Dayton has to embrace this opportunity and move forward.